Hello everyone. This is a tutorial on how to access the homework data about the students who have submitted the homework and the students who have not submitted. It is also about how to check the homework through our web portal. Now on the website, we will log into our EduNext portal. I'm using Sami sir's ID. Now, after you open your web portal on a browser, you get you get multiple accessed modules. Everybody will have different modules based on the approvals that they have. So we open the teacher dashboard. On teacher dashboard, we go to the homework and assignment section. In homework and assignment section, you can see the various homeworks that you've given to students about the sections, the subject, and other homeworks that have been given. And let's say Sami sir, he's given a homework of 5th of May, he's given on this chapter, The Lost Child Moments, check your grammar omission.pdf. So there is two homeworks. If he needs to see who has submitted this particular homework and who's not, he can just click on this eye icon. This is the last icon over here. As you click, you get the list of all the students to whom this homework was assigned. So this homework was given to 9th B section. All the names of the students are here. And you know that none of them have submitted. And it has not been checked also. Okay. We will see how far we have already done one demo. So I will show you that for 11th A on 4th of May, the homework portrait of a lady was given and we've done a demo. So if now we click on I, we see that there are some students who submitted. So one student, Sarthak Singh, has submitted the homework on 6th May, today at morning 8:16. And Ashpreet, for the last, she has submitted the homework on 4th of May at evening 4:31. This has been checked as well, but this has not been checked. So let's say a teacher wishes to check the homework. What they need to do, they need to click on the name of the child. So I need to see what Sarthak has done. I click on Sarthak's thing. So this is what he has written. It is HW, which means homework. And he has sent this JPEG image as well. I can click on it and see what homework has he done. Now it is opening that this is the homework that Sarthak has done, which sir can just have a look on whether it is right or wrong. And thereby, if he feels that, okay, everything is correct, he can just mention correct, good work. And he can put save and check. As he says save and check, now Sarthak Singh's homework has already been, it was checked on 6th of May, 4:49. So as you can see, it is evening 4:49. So the time stamping is also coming. So this way you can check for all the various homeworks, what students have submitted, whether they've submitted, not submitted, anything. So let's say even for the same homework, we check for 11th commerce. And we see that none of the students have submitted it on the portal till now. Okay. So I think this module of checking whether the homework has been submitted or not will help all the students and teachers as well. Thank you all of you.